What's up, YouTube? So, car finally is here. Been driving it around, data logging, but we encountered an issue. The car is running very rich. At first I thought it was bad E85, but it turned out that I have a leak, evap leak, and right now don't know exactly where it is. I did find oil in the engine bay. That's another thing. There might be a leak from the valve covers. Hopefully that's the case, like just the valve covers, because that's an easy replacement, affordable. Worst case scenario is that it would be a bad piston ring land, and very scared of that. Just bought a compression test kit to go test it and see. Hopefully they all come out the same. This is my first time testing for compression and on an engine, so watched a couple of YouTube videos, kind of got the hang of it. We're about to pull up now and test it. Hopefully nothing, because that would be very, very scary. Have to replace the whole motor at that point. And if we do, then at that point I'm just gonna build the motor, because I mean it's out already, so just get a built motor. But let's not do that. Let's just hope that this is good. It's just an evap leak or valve cover leak. So I'll see you once we park and do the compression test now. Alright, so I took out the initial coils so far. I'm not sure if I should do that side, because I think the problem is on this side right here. Well, if there is a problem. But I'm gonna start with this side first. I'm just gonna unplug the wires to the coil packs for now when I do the compression test. Alright, first test, number 1, bay 2. It's about 190s. This is the number 2. Alright, doing number 2. About the same, which is good. Alright, about to do number 3. It's good. Alright, the last one from this side, from bay 2, driver's. About the same, I just cranked it a little bit over than I did the other ones. Buddy here helping me take out the last one because it's far back. Alright, about to do the other side now. I think that one is good too. Alright, second one now. That one's good too. Similar. Alright, number 3. Bay. I forgot what bay. Bay 1. Passenger side. same. Alright, now last one. So far so good. It's about the same too. So we got good compression on all 8 cylinders. All the spark plugs look okay. They're pretty new. They got installed the same time the blower got installed, so not much you could tell there. Sorry for the background noise, but I'm washing a car. So everything is put back together. Start it. Let's see how it is. Okay, the fuel pump is on. It's working. The car is driving okay now, but I haven't really stepped on it. I don't want to step on it. I'm gonna take it to the shop that worked on it today to see if they can find where that oil came from. Hopefully it's just the valve covers, because from the compression test everything came out normal, as it should be.